How to add Discord link to TikTok. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will teach you how to add Discord link to your TikTok account. So first off, what you want to do is head over to your Discord app. Click on the server which you would like to share. Let's say I would choose this. On the top right corner, click on the three dots. And here, click on invite. If you want to add the link, click on copy link. Here below the search bar, you can see your invite link expires in 7 days. Click on edit invite link. Here, click on never, and now your link will never expire. Click on save and copy link again. Go back. Now go over to your TikTok app. Here on the top right corner, click on the three lines, settings and privacy. Click on account and then click on switch to business account. Click on next, 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 next. Now choose any category which you would like. I'll say gaming. Click on next. Adding your email address is optional. Click on skip. And here post your Discord link. Confirm. Now it's asking me to create a video. So I'd say maybe later. Then I'm all set. Here click on add bio. Paste the link that you have copied. Click on save. And now people can see your Discord link and they can join. If you find this video to be helpful, please do not forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. To see more videos like this, head over to our channel to check out more. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.